Hello dear ones, if 75 raised to the power 5 over 2 is equal to 140,625x, find the value of x. So our question is, you can rewrite 75 raised to the power 5 over 2 as square root of 75 all raised to the power 5. Now factorize 75 such that you can have perfect square. So this will now give us 25, square root of 25 times square root of 3 all raised to the power 5, because 25 times 3 gives 75. Square root of 25 is equal to 5 raised to the power 5 times square root of 3 raised to the power 5. Square root of 5 raised to the power 5 is equal to 3,125 times square root of 3 raised to the power 5. Now from this evaluation, 75 raised to the power 5 over 2 is the same thing as 3,125 times square root of 3 raised to the power 5. Problem given now is equal to 3,125 times square root of 3 raised to the power 5 is equal to 140,625 square root of x. Alright, so we can divide both sides by 3,125. This side, 3,125, we cancel 3,125 and we are left with square root of 3 raised to the power 5. And this side, 3,125 divide itself, we have 1. Divide 140,625 and we have 45. So we have 45 square root of x. Alright, in order to continue, we have to simplify this so that we can compare the two sides of the equation effectively. Alright, this is square root of 3 raised to the power 5. Square root of 3 raised to the power 5. So you can expand this as square root of 3 times 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 square root of 3. Now square root of 3 times square root of 3, you have 3. Square root of 3 times square root of 3, you have 3 times square root of 3. 3 times 3, 9 times square root of 3. So this expression, square root of 3 raised to the power 5, is equal to 9 times square root of 3. 9 times square root of 3 is equal to 45 square root of x. We are looking for x, so we can eliminate 45 by dividing both sides by 45. 45 will cancel 45 here. 9 divided itself 1. 45 divided by 9 and we have what? 5. The whole expression is now square root of 3 over 5 is equal to square root of x. Alright, we are looking for x, not the square root of x. So square root of x is equal to square root of 3 over 5. To get x, we have to take the square of both sides. So square here cancels square root. Our x is equal to square root of 3 all squared over 5 squared. Square root of 3 squared is equal to 3 and 5 squared is equal to 25. Finally, x is equal to 3 over 25.